أعطي للمساكين نصف أموالي وكل من قد غبنته في شيء.
Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. Have you ever known what the condition of Catholics in Saudi Arabia? Or is there a church there as a place of worship or mass? What is the situation of Christians in Saudi Arabia? And also, what kind of tolerance is happening in Saudi Arabia? This is the little-known life of Catholics in Saudi Arabia. The history of the entry of Christianity in the country of Saudi Arabia has existed since ancient times, evidenced by the discovery of a church, especially the East Assyrian Church, or one of the streams of the Orthodox Christian Church. Catholics in Saudi Arabia are mostly from the Philippines, and currently the government of Saudi Arabia welcomes workers who come from abroad, both from the Philippines, Sri Lanka, and India to come to work in Saudi Arabia, either as foreign labor or as workers, because Saudi Arabia is known as one of the largest oil-producing countries in the world. Catholics in Saudi Arabia are officially forbidden to practice their faith. Although Catholics are allowed into the country, there is a large Filipino expatriate community in Saudi Arabia that is predominantly Catholic. There is no diocese in the country, the Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia, which may one day be upgraded to the Diocese of North Arabia. Saudi Arabia allows Catholics and Christians in general to enter the country as foreign workers, but does not allow them to practice their faith openly. Finally, some Christians, especially Catholics, worship or mass in secret, and also some others worship or mass online or with their respective families. Some are also forced to go to other countries, such as Qatar, to attend Mass, where there is a Catholic church building in Qatar. My Catholic is awesome friend. The Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia consists of 4 countries at once, namely Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain. The center of the Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia was originally in the country of Kuwait, but since 2021, it has been moved to the country of Bahrain, where the country of Bahrain built the largest cathedral church in the Middle East, namely the Cathedral Catholic Church of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Awali, Bahrain. In 2022, there were 58 priests, 44 brothers, and 17 sisters in the Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia, with more than 2.7 million Catholics, accounting for 7% of the nearly 40 million population in 4 countries spread across 11 parishes. Of the more than 2.7 million Catholics in the Apostolic Vicariate of North Arabia, specifically in the country of Saudi Arabia, until 2021, there were more than 1.8 million Catholics, or covering 6% of the 34 million inhabitants of Saudi Arabia. However, almost 2 million of these Saudi Arabian Catholics do not have a church building at all. This is certainly a concern for Catholic activists. 85% of these Catholics in Saudi Arabia are from the Philippines. The remaining 15% are Catholics of Indian and Arab descent. Well, my Catholic is awesome friend, in Saudi Arabia, there are no churches at all. Saudi Arabia seems to have been making headlines for a while, from lifting dress code restrictions on women to turning Qatar into an island. It looks like they have no plans to keep making Saudi Arabia more and more open. In this increasingly liberal kingdom, For the first time in modern history, it is rumored that a church will be built for the Christian population of Saudi Arabia in the future. A hug leap forward for a country that until recently officially banned the building of churches and the public practice of the Christian faith. This decision was announced at a signing ceremony in Riyadh by the General Secretariat of the Muslim League of Saudi Arabia, Muhammad bin Abdel Karim, and the President of the Pontifical Council for Interreligious Dialogue at the Vatican in the presence of the French Cardinal of the Catholic Church, Jean-Louis Tauran. The visit of representatives of the Vatican and the French Catholic Church around 2021 to Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia, can also be seen as an increasingly good relationship between the Holy See of the Vatican and the State of Saudi Arabia in interfaith dialogue. Representatives of the Vatican and the Catholic Church from France meet with the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Salman. This was the first official meeting between Saudi Arabia and the Vatican. Cardinal Louis said that this was the beginning of rapprochement, and it was a sign that the Saudi authorities were now ready to give a new image to a more open and tolerant country. If in Rome, Italy, the center of world Catholicism, there is a building of the Great Mosque of Rome with a capacity of 12,000 worshippers for Muslims, whose construction is supported by the Italian government, the spirit of mutual tolerance is also expected in Saudi Arabia. My Catholic is awesome friend. There was once a church in Saudi Arabia. Back in 1986, the remains of a 4th century church were discovered near Jubail in Saudi Arabia. The building, the Jubail Church, originally resembled an Nestorian or Eastern Assyrian Orthodox church and is believed to be the first church ever built in Saudi Arabia. After the rise of Islam in the 7th century in the country of Saudi Arabia, the constructions of churches became strictly prohibited and openly prohibited from practicing any religion other than Islam. My Catholic is awesome friend. That is the life of Saudi Arabian Catholics who are rarely exposed to countries without Catholic church buildings. May the Catholics of Saudi Arabia remain strong in faith, and may one day a church building be built for the 1.8 million Catholics of Saudi Arabia, and may the relations between Saudi Arabia and the Vatican become closer and the spirit of fraternal dialogue. My Catholicism is cool and awesome. Salve and Shalom.